In today's interconnected world, sending money across borders has become commonplace. Whether you're supporting family overseas, paying international freelancers, or managing global business transactions, the need for efficient and cost-effective money transfer services is paramount. Wise, formerly known as TransferWise, has emerged as a popular platform, lauded for its transparency and often lower fees compared to traditional banks. But have you ever wondered which financial institutions power Wise's seamless international transfers? Understanding the banking partners behind Wise can shed light on how this innovative platform operates and builds trust in its services. At its core, Wise doesn't function as a traditional bank in the sense of holding and lending money directly. Instead, it has established a sophisticated network of partner banks and financial institutions across the globe. These partnerships are the engine that drives Wise's ability to offer local transfers at international distances. By leveraging these collaborations, Wise can receive and send money through local banking systems, effectively bypassing the cumbersome and often expensive correspondent banking network that traditional banks rely on for international transfers. Think of it this way. Instead of your money traveling directly from your bank in Nigeria to a recipient's bank in, say, the United Kingdom, Wise utilizes its network. When you initiate a transfer from Nigeria to the UK, Wise receives your Naira through its Nigerian partner bank. Simultaneously, Wise's partner bank in the UK releases the equivalent amount in British pounds to your recipient. This peer-to-peer style of matching transfers, facilitated by its banking partners, is a key reason why Wise can often offer more competitive exchange rates and lower fees. While Wise doesn't publicly disclose an exhaustive list of all its banking partners, for competitive and operational reasons, we can identify the crucial roles these institutions play and understand the types of partnerships Wise cultivates in different regions. The role of correspondent banks, but with a twist. Traditional international money transfers often involve a chain of intermediary banks known as correspondent banks. These banks act as bridges between financial institutions in different countries, facilitating the movement of funds. This process can involve multiple fees and less transparent exchange rates. Wise, however, strategically minimizes its reliance on this traditional correspondent banking model. Instead, its network of partner banks allows it to operate more locally in various countries. These partners hold local currency accounts for Wise, enabling the platform to receive and disperse funds within those specific regions. This localized approach is a significant differentiator for Wise. Key types of banking partnerships for Wise. Local payment partners. In each country where Wise operates, it collaborates with local banks and payment processors. These partners handle the local leg of the transaction. For instance, when you send money from Nigeria, a Nigerian payment partner of Wise will receive your Naira. Similarly, in the recipient's country, a local partner bank will handle the payout in the local currency. These partnerships are crucial for efficient and compliant local transfers. Custodial banks. Wise also works with custodial banks that hold and safeguard the funds before they are dispersed. These institutions provide a secure environment for the large volumes of currency that Wise handles daily. Custodial banks are typically well-established and regulated financial institutions, adding a layer of security and trust to Wise's operations. Access to payment systems. To facilitate seamless transfers, Wise needs access to local payment systems in different countries. This often involves partnerships with banks that are members of these systems. For example, in the UK, access to the faster payment service allows for near real-time transfers. Partner banks facilitate Wise's access to such crucial infrastructure. Examples of the impact of these partnerships. Let's consider a practical example. Imagine someone in Nigeria wants to send money to a student in Canada. The sender initiates the transfer through the Wise platform, funding it with Naira from their Nigerian bank account. Wise's Nigerian payment partner receives the Naira. Simultaneously, Wise instructs its Canadian partner bank to release the equivalent amount in Canadian dollars to the recipient's Canadian bank account.